Hello, welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we want to find the value of a from this given nice equation. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Solution. We have a raised to power 3 plus a square. Let's bring this to this side. Minus 392 is equal to 0. Now, a raised to power 3 plus a square minus 392 can be written as minus 343 minus 49 is equal to 0. Now this is a raised to power 3 plus a square minus 7 raised to power 3 minus 7 square is equal to 0. Let's compare a raised to power 3 minus 7 raised to power 3 plus a square minus this 7 square is equal to 0. Take note of this exponential rule that if you have s raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus y square plus xy. And also, if you have s square minus y square, this is equal to s plus y bracket x minus y. In this case, s is equal to a and y is equal to 7. So let's substitute. From this one, we have a minus 7 bracket a square plus 7 square plus 7 multiplied by a plus a square minus 7 square. This is a plus 7 bracket a minus 7 is equal to 0. A minus 7 is common. Let's bring it out. This is a minus 7 open bracket a square plus 7 square is 49 plus 7a plus a plus 7 is equal to 0. This is a minus 7 multiplied by a square plus 49 plus 7, that is 56, plus 7a plus a, 8a is equal to 0. Then a minus 7 bracket a square plus 8a plus 56 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 7 is equal to 0, or second case, a square plus 8a plus 56 is equal to 0. Now from here, a is equal to 7. This is the first value of a. And from here, this is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 8, c is equal to 56. Then a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. A is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of b squared. This is 8 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 56 over 2 multiplied by 1, or discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac, and d is equal to b squared is 8 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 56. This is equal to a squared is 64 minus 56 times 4 minus 224. This is less than 0. Therefore, the only real solution we have is a is equal to 7, and this is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation: a raised to power 3 plus a square is equal to 392. Now, when a is 7, this is 7 raised to power 3 plus 7 square must be equal to 392. Now, 7 raised to power 3 is 343 plus 7 square is 49 must be equal to 392. So let's add these together. 3 plus 9, this is 12. Remain 1. 4 plus 4, that is 8 plus 1, 9. Then 3. The left hand side, 392, is equal to the right hand side, 392. We satisfy the given equation at a equal to 7. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.